Hi, I'm Chef Ryan, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking on a Countertop. Today we'll be cooking on a 12mm piece of Florim porcelain using our InvisaCook technology. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prep our veggies. The best part about using our 12mm piece of porcelain from Florim is that you can prep on the countertop and not have to worry about a nasty, ugly mess. The other great part about it is we'll be able to cook right on top with our pans. So we'll be cooking the meat in our InvisaCookware pan. It's induction ready, and we'll be able to cook right on top. All right, and now that we're up to heat, we'll go ahead and get our meat ready in our InvisaCookware pan. So we'll go ahead and start off with a little bit of garlic. And we'll go ahead and get our meat in here. So we got some garlic in there. We're going to go ahead and add our taco seasoning. Alright, so while our meat is finishing up, I'll go ahead and I'm going to fry some shells real quick. Alright, we'll get some oil, a little bit of oil in here, just to get them nice and crispy. So as you can see, one of the best benefits of cooking with InvisaCook is this nice clean countertop. We've got everything just about set. So what I'll do is, I'll grab myself a plate. And one of our shells. And this is just about done. And I'm gonna make myself a taco. All right. That's good. So as you can see, we're able to get all this done in about half the time as you would on a normal stove. We're also able to prep right on the countertop thanks to our 12mm piece of Florim porcelain. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and visit us at InvisaCook.com. And remember, what you don't see won't burn you. Thank you.